We got to talk Christmas shopping calendars, okay? There are certain cycles each year that are slightly different this year for you to be able to have the least amount of hassle and find the most bargains when you're shopping for Christmas. Things really get kicked off once we've moved past Halloween. The second you're out buying stale candy left over from Halloween at half price or hopefully 75% off, that's when everything goes full tilt into Christmas shopping mode at all retailers. As far as the best time to buy, really there's almost a 2-week period, and I call it the Black Friday state of mind, that goes on the week before Thanksgiving all the way through that Sunday after Thanksgiving, online shopping through that Monday immediately following. There are great, great deals then. But a huge percent of people aren't into shopping at all, look at Christmas shopping as just drudgery, an obligation, and wait till the very last minute to Christmas shop, and that's brutal for your wallet if you wait till 4 of the busiest shopping days of the year, 21st, 22nd, 23rd of December, and Christmas Eve. Don't be part of that. In fact, the greatest deals historically are through, based on this year's calendar, likely cutting off around the 9th of December, especially for online shopping. With both FedEx and UPS being overwhelmed, you're going to see the retailers that sell only online stopping their real good deals by the 9th so that they can not disappoint you getting the items to you. But let me tell you a trick. If you shop online at a store that also has physical locations, you will still find deals for that entire next week where you click to purchase online but do free in-store pickup. You'll know you have it for whoever you intend for Christmas, and you'll still get a deal. And speaking of deal or no deal, those 2 weeks from the 10th of December till just before Christmas, those 2 weeks are generally the very most expensive weeks you can shop for Christmas, but it's also feast or famine. If I'm a retailer, I guessed wrong that people were really going to want this, that, or the other, and they don't buy it in the quantities I expected, and I got them left over. I want to clear them out before the Christmas season's over, so I'll have a lot of deals for you. But let's talk about what will be deals this Christmas. All right, number one, as always, TVs will be ginormous over the Black Friday holiday period, that now 10-day or so period. Electronics of all kinds, particularly off-brands, third-tier brands. iPhones, not so much. Android phones, there are going to be a lot of deals on Samsungs and secondary brands for Androids, particularly around the whole Black Friday thing. Clothing, I couldn't tell you if I was looking at a clothing rack if something's a good deal or not. You have to know prices because almost all clothing sold today is private label. But for electronics, we'll be keeping you up to date at clarkdeals.com when something is a steal or when it's a pretend deal, so you'll know when you should hop to it and when you should let it just pass you by.